If you want to mute a video in CapCut, whether it's just one clip or an entire track, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to do it. This is really useful if you want to remove background noise, replace the original audio with music, or simply make room for your own voiceover without starting over. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's look at how to mute an individual clip. This is the best method to use if you have multiple videos on the same timeline and you only want to silence one of them. To start, open your project in CapCut and select the clip on your timeline that you want to mute. Make sure the clip is highlighted so you know CapCut is working with the correct one. Once the clip is selected, look at the Properties panel on the top right side of the screen. This panel gives you control over the clip's settings, including audio. From there, click on the Audio tab. Inside the audio settings, you'll see a volume slider. To mute the clip completely, drag that slider all the way to the left. Depending on your version of CapCut, the volume may show as 0 dB or all the way down to -infinity. Either way, the goal is the same. Bring the volume all the way down so the clip becomes silent. This is a simple but powerful fix because it lets you keep the video in place while removing only the sound from that one clip. So if you have a talking section, a noisy background, or a clip that just doesn't need audio, this method is the cleanest option. You can also use it if you plan to add your own music or voiceover later and don't want the original sound interfering. Now let's move on to the second method, which is even faster if you want to mute everything on one track. This method is perfect when you have an entire row of clips and you want all of them silenced at once. Instead of muting clips one by one, you can mute the whole track in just a single click. To do this, go to the left side of your timeline track. You'll see a small speaker icon next to the track preview. That speaker controls whether the audio for that entire row is on or off. Click it once and CapCut will turn off the track audio. As soon as it's muted, every clip sitting on that track will go silent. This is a really helpful shortcut when you're editing longer videos or working with multiple cuts. It saves time and makes it easy to test different versions of your edit without deleting anything. And if you ever want the audio back, you can simply click the speaker icon again to unmute the track. So to recap, if you only want to silence one clip, select the clip, go to the Audio tab and drag the volume all the way down. If you want to mute everything on one timeline row, use the speaker icon on the left side of the track. Both methods are quick, easy, and beginner-friendly. If this CapCut tip helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.